शुरू मजबूरी में किए थे।
हाँ,
बड़ा मजा
आपको
आता
क्या
जावा बिल्कुल नहीं आती है, इसलिए यही पढ़ेंगे।
एक अगर आपको आपसे खुद से नहीं होता, यू हैव टू चूज अ गुड टीचर लाइक आई डिड।
आई नो पीपल जिनसे पूछा है कि आपकी फेवरेट फिल्म कौन सी है और उनका सिलेक्शन हो गया।
एक्सप्लोर करो, सारी चीजें एक्सप्लोर करो, नहीं जी ऐसा करो।
Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of CB Placement Talks. Today we have with us Tanisha. She's a third year student at IGT2W where she's pursuing her BTech in AIML. Recently, Tanisha got selected as an intern at Adobe. In this talk, we'll discuss with her all about her placement journey and also her experience as a coding block student. So let's get started. Hi Tanisha, welcome to CB Placement Talks.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much for calling
First
me.
of all, congratulations for
Thank
getting
you so
selected as an
much.
intern at Adobe.
Thank you, sir.
आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑन कैंपस मिली थी थ्रू योर कॉलेज?
Yes, sir.
कैन यू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट द प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस वाज लाइक?
Okay, sir. So, like around April, I got the mail regarding the Adobe She Codes opportunity, and we were asked to submit our details and OA, submit our details and resume.
Okay.
So, in like day or two, we got the OA link, and there was one OA of 1.5 hours. In that, there were 35 MCQs and 2 DSA based questions.
Okay.
And then after that, when we got the like selects for the Adobe She Codes, there was a 1.5 months of training, like learning cohorts were there. And then there were like after 1 month, there were interviews for the internship.
ओके, तो ओए राउंड जो आप बता रहे हो 90 मिनट्स का था,
Yes, sir.
उसमें एमसीक्यू वाले क्वेश्चंस किस टॉपिक से पूछे गए थे?
Sir, so like Adobe emphasizes a lot on DBMS core subjects, basically DBMS, OS, OOPS, and CS fundamentals. So like all the 4 subjects were asked in those 35 MCQs.
ओके, एंड डीएसए वाले क्वेश्चंस कौन से स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक से पूछे गए थे?
Sir, DSA questions were like from medium level only, and they were from array and binary search topics.
ओके ओके, एंड देन यू सेड कि एक बार ओए राउंड क्लियर हो गया,
Yes, sir.
यू गॉट इनटू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग,
Yes, sir.
तो उसमें क्या करवाया गया था?
So there were like sessions, weekly we were having 1 or 2 sessions, and they were based on like database management at Adobe, and like how to prep up for interview. Like they were like these type of sessions only.
ओके, एंड इस सेशंस के लिए कितने लोग शॉर्टलिस्ट हुए थे?
Sir, around like 200 people all over India were selected for Adobe
ऑल
She
ओवर
Codes.
इंडिया 200
200 students were selected.
एंड देन आफ्टर दिस कोई इवैल्यूएशन हुआ था बिफोर इंटरव्यूज या फिर डायरेक्टली इंटरव्यू?
No, so directly interview.
Okay.
All the students got the
एंड
opportunity.
कितने राउंड्स हुए इंटरव्यू के?
So there was only 1 round.
ओके, एंड उसमें क्या पूछा गया था बताओगे?
Okay, so sir, in the starting, there were 15 minutes were around for DBMS and OS. Like
Okay.
core subjects need to be very strong when it comes to Adobe.
Okay.
And then like 35 minutes, there were like questions, DSA based questions. That was really smooth. Like if I talk about my interview, and then last 15 minutes, there were puzzle. One puzzle was there, and time and space complexity analysis questions were there.
Okay.
And lastly, there was about the company and like basic like 1 or 2 questions, like
Generic questions.
generic
Why
questions.
you want to join us?
Yes, yes.
ओके, पजल्स में क्या पूछ रहे थे ये लोग?
Sir, I am not able to recall. Yes, but there was one puzzle of like basic puzzle only, 3 balls, 2 of similar weight, and
ओके,
that
ठीक.
kind of puzzles
Okay,
only,
okay,
not
okay.
very lengthy.
ठीक है, तो इसका एक राउंड कंप्लीट होता है एंड उसी दिन इन्फॉर्म करते हैं कौन सिलेक्ट हुआ?
No, sir. Like there was a wait of 5 days.
Okay.
After the interview, I got the like selects. Name were declared really later after 5 days.
ओके, तो अडोबी क्या अकेली कंपनी थी जहां अप्लाई करा था या फिर और कंपनीज के आप ओए राउंड दे रहे थे?
I have already given the OA for Google,
Mhm.
and I was shortlisted in that. And
अच्छा,
I was having the interview next day only.
ओके,
But I got the like I got in Adobe before that only.
तो गूगल के ओए राउंड में आपने कहा शॉर्टलिस्टिंग हो गई थी आपकी,
हाँ,
उसमें
sir.
क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे?
Basically, Google में there was more of a resume selection. There was more emphasis.
Okay.
And OA round there were 2 questions of medium to hard difficulty. One was of trees, and the second one I am not able to recall because it was back in 10 months before.
Mhm.
So I was able to solve 1.2 questions.
Okay.
Because like the difficulty was quite hard.
Okay.
But yeah, the Google emphasis more on resume, so it was mix of both resume and OA.
रेज्यूमे के लिए कोई स्पेसिफिक क्राइटेरिया गूगल यूज कर रहा था जो आप जानते हो?
Sir, I don't think so. But yeah, basically it was related to some like achievement should be mentioned in that. Basically, I won some hackathon because when I gave the interview for Google, they were they emphasized more on projects.
Okay.
So
ठीक है.
projects need to be strong and the skills like you have mentioned should be like good enough.
हैकाथॉन में आपने वैसे काफी पार्टिसिपेट करा है. वाज गोइंग थ्रू योर रिज्यूमे एंड अडोबी शी कोड्स तो आपने बताई.
हाँ,
उसमें यू वर वन ऑफ द 200 स्टूडेंट्स सिलेक्टेड अक्रॉस इंडिया. इसके अलावा आई थिंक यू आल्सो वन एन हैकाथॉन एट IGDTU.
Yes sir.
Which was code sprint.
Yes, a dev sprint was there, and in that I made a it was kind of a hackathon, can't say, but there was like a period building of 1 week, and in that I built one full MERN stack project.
Okay.
So that was like society times I built in that time period only. And
ये कितना रेलेवेंट होता है हैकाथॉन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना? ये कंपनीज डू दे एम्फसाइज ऑन दिस कि अगर आपने हैकाथॉन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करा तो you stand out?
Basically depends on company to company. Like if I talk about Adobe, there was less emphasis on resume and more on core subjects and DSA.
Okay.
So you have to be very thorough with the core subjects and about the fundamentals of DSA as well, like the time and space complexity, like edge cases were discussed in detail.
Okay. अच्छा, वी आर सीइंग दैट लास्ट 2-3 ईयर से जो लेवल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ओवर राउंड में पूछ रहे हैं वो काफ़ी हाई हो गए हैं, राइट? आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपने ज़रूर ये इनकाउंटर करा होगा. जैसे ऊबर का भी रिसेंटली एक टेस्ट हुआ था एंड क्वेश्चंस का लेवल इट वाज वेरी हाई. आपके हिसाब से व्हाट आर द स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक्स वन नीड्स टू फोकस ऑन सो दैट उनके चांसेस इंक्रीज हो टू गेट सिलेक्टेड?
Like basically talking about specifically Uber. So
Uber or any company जिसके बारे में आप जानते हो.
Okay, so yeah, if I have talk about Uber, I gave Uber C++. So there the actual complexity of the question was quite high, and basically they gave 4 questions to be done in around 2 hours, and all were based on DP and trees hard. So yes, you need to be very much clear about your concepts, the basic concepts. One thing I need to mention is like you should make notes very thoroughly and you should revise those notes because the foundation is built on that only. You have to be clear with the basic concepts and then you can just advance on topics like DP and recursion, that place.
ठीक है, तो dynamic programming, trees, I think graphs भी मैं
Yeah, talking about the questions asked in these big MNCs is like DP is extensively asked. Trees with some twist of like you can combine trees with any other topic like arrays, and trees can get a good question. And linked list is not that much asked in OA rounds. So like these only, DP, trees and recursion and backtracking.
Okay, perfect. तो you are one of those students जिसने बहुत ही जल्दी अपने कॉलेज में DSA सीखना शुरू किया था. I remember it very clearly. आप अपने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में थे शायद, या आपने तो बता रहे थे कि आपने कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने से पहले मेरा कोर्स यहाँ ज्वाइन किया था. What was the reason इतनी जल्दबाजी क्यों?
Sir, actually the counseling was going on, and that only, like I was also very nervous of getting into good college, but I need to move on. So I just thought of let it be, college will be decided. I should focus on like future DSA should be done. So I just joined the course in September only, and like my first semester started in November. So it was 2 months prior only I started doing DSA.
ये किसने बताया आपको कि DSA करना जरूरी है?
I just got from like I searched on Google and like got the feedback from my friends as well.
Okay.
So that was really good decision because by the time it was taught in college, I was already knowing things. I was like I had completed the whole course.
Okay. So in fact, this was my next question. In the hindsight, how do you think that early start helped you out? बट आपने उसका आंसर कर दिया. व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट कोर्स? उस कोर्स ने आपको लगता है कि इन द लॉन्ग रन हेल्प करी आपकी प्लेसमेंट्स वगैरह में?
I have to mention this course was like it helped me a lot because the first week only when I was here, I got to know about like what DSA is. I got to know about that, and I got the advice from my like you also gave this advice that make notes from the start, and that I followed, and I had still like I have those notes. Now my placement I would be coming soon. I have to open those notes and revise again.
Okay.
So that really helped me a lot. Plus coming here, doing questions and like asking my doubts to you, to TA. So that helped me a lot.
Okay. एंड अभी आप बीटेक परस्यू कर रहे हो इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन लर्निंग, बट यू वेंट इनटू वेब डेवलपमेंट, तो इसका क्या रीजन था? मतलब यू डिड अ कोर्स विद अस ऑन वेब आल्सो, what was the reason for this transition?
Actually, in third semester, I joined one intern of like college internship was there, kind of like you can work with the research department. I joined that, and like I thought like AI/ML takes time, and I'm pretty much not ready to give my time to AI/ML at that moment of time. So I thought of ki like let's explore some other tech. So I joined the course of Mernstack here, and like I like doing web development.
Okay.
So I will explore AI/ML, but at that moment of time, I was not ready to deep dive into it and just keep my basics clear. And now in like future semesters, I will surely do AI/ML.
Okay. अच्छा, जो लोग वेब डेवलपमेंट सीखते हैं उनका एक बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन रहता है कि यार हमने सीख तो लिया वेबसाइट बनाना, बट अब क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने चाहिए, आइडियाज नहीं होते. आपने काफी अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करो एंड जस्ट लेट अस नो कि अगर किसी को इंस्पिरेशन चाहिए, आइडिया चाहिए तो कहाँ से मिल सकती है.
Basically, many like most common projects on Mernstack is e-commerce. And I was very sure from the start that I will not make e-commerce. I was done with it. So I started looking at the problem statements around, and the first step is the college only. I saw around me, being a society organizer, I like face huge problems in event management, recruitment season. So I think let's solve this problem statement only. I took the problem statement ki how to like make the students log into a web portal, and there they can register for events. They could give their feedback on events and also fill their forms for recruitment, all at one place only.
Okay.
So there I like build the whole using the Node.js, MongoDB, and I built the whole thing.
Okay.
So that was it. Like you should look for some new problem statement that nobody have explored, and that could help you in real life as well if implemented.
तो अपने आसपास you can try कि भाई क्या चीज ऑटोमेट करी जा सकती है.
It's very similar to e-commerce because you're making models, you're connecting those models. So, but e-commerce are plenty in the market.
Okay.
So try for something new and start from your college. Search for problem statement around you only. So that
And
is.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आपने करे थे कितने हेल्पफुल थे इन इंटरव्यूज?
Sir, if I talk about Adobe, like after the introduction, I gave my introduction. Then she asked one question regarding the project, and that was all. Like not much emphasis on the project side. But if I talk about Google, they gave around 15 to 20 minutes on the project.
On that project. So proper tech stack discuss
हाँ, they just even they asked me can we have a look on the project and GitHub link.
They wanted a
demo and GitHub link and all of that.
Okay. आपने मेंशन किया कि यू आर पार्ट ऑफ अ सोसाइटी. इनफैक्ट आप मल्टीपल सोसाइटीज के पार्ट हो. आप वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हो आई थिंक एक सोसाइटी में, एंड यू आर अ कोर मेंबर इन अनदर वन. ये कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एज अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट की सोसाइटीज को ज्वाइन करें? क्या हेल्प मिलती है कुछ इन द लॉन्ग रन?
सर, joining societies is a great way of connecting people and having good networking with the people, explore things and like meet new people. You always learn something new from if you meet some good speaker and anywhere. So joining societies was one such thing to like enjoy in college and have fun, and also for like it benefit a lot in making good connections.
Okay, I think networking सबसे बड़ा प्लस है. And in the long run जितना बड़ा आपका नेटवर्क होगा उतनी आपके लिए पॉसिबिलिटीज ओपन रहेंगी.
Because you can then just discuss your opinions with people, and I also like asked about projects with the like their feedback on that, so that helps me a lot.
Okay. अभी आप थर्ड ईयर में हो. Within 6 months you'll go for intern at Adobe, and आपने mention किया कि you did DS in the first semester, you completed web dev at the end of third semester. तो काफी कुछ सही किया है in your 2 years of college life.
No, like web development I completed in like around fourth semester end. Fourth semester end.
Second year के end में
Second year end web class.
So you have done lot of rights जो एक ideal student को करना चाहिए कि भाई DS से जल्दी सीखो, वेब वगैरह सीखो. इनफैक्ट आपकी CGPA भी 9 के ऊपर है, which is very good. आप elite कैटेगरी में आ चुके हो. But I'm pretty sure कुछ मिस्टेक करी होगी along the way. है ऐसा कुछ या सब कुछ सही चल रहा है अभी तक?
Yes, there was one mistake that I really think I could rectify. So after the course ended, DSA course, I skipped doing questions daily. I just focused more on making revising those things only, and I didn't do questions on platforms like LeetCode and Code Forces.
Okay.
And also avoided giving contests. Like I feared giving contest. Like my rating, or I was not able to solve questions on that. So there, the 2 months break was there. That should not be done.
Okay.
And you should solve contest more and daily,
So consistency
frequently.
एक चीज आप जो बोल रहे हो, and second is to give as many
Contest as
you can.
possible.
Okay.
Even if the new contests are not there, you should go back, set a timer. I used to do that in when my intern drive was going on. I used to solve past contest on LeetCode.
Okay.
So
Virtual contest.
Virtual contest, yes.
ठीक है. कोई और आपको लगता है चीज जो शायद चेंज करो?
Being like this only, being consistent and LeetCode contest.
ठीक है. आने वाले टाइम में लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे विल सिट फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स, दे विल सिट फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स. इनफैक्ट काफी लोग देख भी रहेंगे इस इंटरव्यू को, तो उनके लिए कोई एडवाइस, कोई टिप्स?
Yes, surely. Firstly, you should solve questions. Don't solve plenty of questions. Keep your concepts clear. And always daily solve, if you can, solve one contest so that you can get an idea how speed, what speed you can solve the questions.
Okay.
Also, please keep your core subjects clear. I have to mention that because my company in which I got into, they emphasize a lot on core subjects. DBMS, OS needs to be done, and that is something you have to you can't do it in one day, because I was also asked a question that they were not simple questions like what is deadlock. This was not asked with me. So
आपसे क्या पूछा गया था?
Sir, I don't remember the actual questions, but there was one question for virtual memory and how to memory management can be done. So you should have a good knowledge of operating systems and DBMS. Rest, one thing you can do is don't go to multiple platforms for solving questions. Follow 1 or 2 platforms and that is enough.
Okay, तो कोर सब्जेक्ट्स पे फोकस कर दें, कॉन्टेस्ट देने हैं, stick to 1 or 2 platform, LeetCode, Code Forces, I can say, and that's it.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो thank you very much Tanisha for giving this interview,
you, sir.
and I just wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you, sir.
internship. And thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
So that was our interview with Tanisha. Hopefully you got to learn something from it. And if you're a student who wants to get into tech, or a working professional who's looking to upskill yourself, then Coding Blocks is there to help you out. If you like this video, let us know in the comments below. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. And before you go, don't forget, coding matlab coding blocks.